To connect Realme C71 with a car, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here you will have to go for the connection and sharing, and as you are here, go for the Android Auto. And if you are doing it for the first time, as you tap on this Android Auto right here, you'll be forwarded into the Google Play Store and you'll have to update this Android Auto application. And after that, after you update it, you'll have to go back for these settings right here and then once again press on the Android Auto and you'll be forwarded into this screen. From here you have to press this button to connect a vehicle, and here are like around I guess 3 ways to connect your car with to connect your device with a car. And the first one is you can simply use it, you can connect it using the cable, USB cable, and here to get started plug your phone into this vehicle's Android Auto compatible USB port. So you have to find the USB port in your car which is compatible with the Android Auto, and from there you'll be able to start the connection. You can also connect using the wireless method, so if you want to do this you'll have to tap on this one right here, and here is the instruction to press and hold the voice command button to begin the setup, and you will be your phone will be visible on the vehicle as the Realme C71, and from there you'll simply have to follow these instructions and follow on-screen instructions on the vehicle to complete the connection. And also there's the third way, you can connect using Bluetooth. So as you are here, check if your vehicle supports wireless Android Auto to pair your phone with the vehicle. So you'll have to enable Bluetooth on your vehicle and then go to pair a vehicle. Right here there's the button to pair a vehicle, and you will be able to find either your phone on the car's screen, or you'll be able to find the car right here in the available devices on the Bluetooth, and simply perform this connection and again follow on-screen instructions, and that's pretty simple. The pretty simple steps to connect your Realme C71 with a car.